What is going on, everyone? My name is Paul. I go by the Smrtman. In today's video, we are doing our first mod on our brand new, well, to us, Subaru Impreza Sport. So, without further ado, let's hop in the Impreza. Now, the first mod, the one that I ordered like 3 weeks ago, is still being, let's just say, built. So, more to come on that. Enough about me talking. Let's hop in the Subaru and get this day started. Push to start. Love it. All right, I think the car needs a little bit of oil. I'm gonna check up on it. Sounded like it was a little low on oil. That being said, it is a Subaru, and Subarus are not known for exactly being easy on oil. Some of them burn oil. Some of them do other things like crack things and all that kind of stuff. So I am now a Subaru owner, so I have to prepare for these things. So let's go to the store before we even do our mod and just make sure that this Subaru is all ready to go so we don't have any issues. One of the only reasons we got this version of the Impreza, the Sport, is because it actually has paddle shifters, which makes life a little better. Now this car is pretty awesome because it's pretty loaded. It has like Apple and Android CarPlay. It has all the steering wheel controls. It has a sunroof. It has room for friends. I know many of you guys who have watched my channel know I have a very tiny garage. And let's hope this big old wagon fits in there. Even though it's pretty much a small car, I just don't know if it's gonna fit or not. We'll see. All right, so now that I'm a Subaru owner, I have to make a quick stop. And no, it's not to get gas. It's actually to get something else. Welcome to the Get-Go, a Pittsburgh staple. Now that I am a Subaru owner, I am required by law to use these flavorful USB sticks. I found some at this gas station. Not sure what they do, but I bought some just because I'm a Subaru owner now. All right, so now that I'm a Subaru owner, I do have to make one more stop before we go and do our mod. And that is going to be, I have to go to the auto parts store. I have to get 2 items. One is going to be from that atrocious startup noise I heard today on a Subaru. And the second is more of a preventative maintenance. So I got the car in first. We are going to see how fast this car actually accelerates. Let's go. Oh my goodness. I wish it was faster. I kind of missed the Challenger. Right, so just got back in from Advanced Auto Parts and I got some engine oil. The other thing I was gonna get, well, it was a little too expensive for a joke. I didn't realize that these jewels cost like $30. So I didn't want to spend another $30 on a joke, but I was gonna get Cody some head gasket repair for the Subaru. Some of that liquid kind that people pour in their engines thinking it'll fix the head gasket. Well, I was an idiot and did that once. Yeah, long story short, not gonna get the head gasket repair for Cody. Knock on some wood somewhere around here that hopefully this head gasket stays nice and sealed. So without further ado, let's get the car going and we are going to head to our garage. 2 devices, these cost like $30. I don't know how people make these a habit, so we're gonna see. I don't even know how to work one of these things. Never done it, but I am a Subaru owner now, so I need to start, you know, vaping as we call it. Let's see. Oh, fancy slide out box. It's like getting an iPhone. I have no idea what I'm doing. Maybe I should read the guidebook. Getting started. Remove jewel pod cap and insert clear end into device. I am really confused with this jewel. It only came with like a USB thing and this black thing that has like a prong in it. Oh, I think this charges it. Wait, wait, I don't know if I should rip that off or not. Oh, there's a USB stick. Wow, it's a USB. I did not realize that it was actually a USB. Good thing I'm not monetized because YouTube would probably demonetize me for this. I think I need to charge it. I wonder how many joules have been plugged in here. Small puffs to get a feel for the vapor. Ooh, okay, we're gonna try this. Gotta get this pod going. Oh, it loaded. Okay, so I think I'm supposed to puff on this, a small puff. Let's see. Oh, that was weird. Well, I'm officially a Subaru owner now. We're gonna let that charge. All jokes aside, these things aren't good for you as well, just like cigarettes, but I guess they're a better alternative. Alright, it was a very tight fit. We got the Impreza in the garage. Look how big that Impreza is compared to the smart car. Alright, let's go ahead and start with the mod. Cody didn't want red because it's a little out there, and I am alright with that because this is his car. So I got black flaps with red writing. So I think this will look nice against all the black trim pieces like the tint, the wheels. I think it'll be nice to have some black mud flaps. And then the other mods we're going to be doing today, these aren't really mods, but we are going to be putting all the Smrtman decals on the car. So let's get this going. Alright you guys, that took way too long as always with everything with the cars, but I am finally done with the mud flaps on the car and I think it looks really good on the Subaru. I think mud flaps on cars just take it to a whole new level, and it's like a subtle way of saying that you're a car enthusiast even if your car is basically stock. So that being said, let's go ahead and check out the mud flaps. We also added the signature Smrtman logo on the car. Not quite as crazy as all these stickers, but as you guys know, stickers add horsepower. So this is a terrible, terrible exhaust. Listen, I can't even hear the exhaust. All I can hear is the engine. That alleyway is about as wide as an Abarth. I might have to do a couple Austin Powers going on. This is the tightest alley in the world. There's a curb down there and on this side, and I can't get these wheels scuffed on them. I already did it once to the Fiat. So we have the Impreza Sport right over here. We need to get an exhaust on the car ASAP, but I got the new mud flaps on the car, and holy crap, I think they look great. Black mud flaps with red writing on them. I think they look fantastic on the car. Now I did notice a couple weird things on this car, specifically when it came to paint. I noticed that the keyhole is literally painted over. Then I noticed a couple other things. I was installing the mud flaps over here on the front, and I noticed, well, on this black trim piece right here, there's paint. Like, not just in one spot, but around the whole trim piece itself. I'm not sure why the paint is so funky like that, but overall, I mean, it looks really good. It just needs to be cleaned up a bit, but that's really sketchy that there's paint everywhere on the car. So it makes you wonder what happened. Like, there's nothing on the Carfax or anything. The car looks great. Like, there's not many scratches or anything for being 3 years old, and just wondering why there's so much paint everywhere. So bizarre. So let's go ahead and hop in the Subaru and see what she got. That guy has a power washer on the back of his Can-Am, and he's wearing sandals, which is bizarre on a Can-Am. So this car would be fine with the exception of second gear, and I'm going to give you guys a reason why. So I'm in second gear at around 2,500, 3,000 RPMs, and let's just stomp on it. Oh, that's so big. It's like, it's still in second gear. Oh my goodness. I guess this car was made for gas mileage and not really for performance. This is my favorite one. It's loud.
Oh, he's down right there. Hi. Okay.
All right. And it has a turbo.
So this is the back. How did you enjoy the video? Please subscribe to Smrtman, and I will see y'all next time. Peace!